Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the constant hustle and bustle of daily life? The deadlines, the notifications, the never-ending to-do lists? It can all get a bit much. What if I told you that you could transform your home into a serene, fragrant sanctuary, a personal retreat to help you unwind and de-stress? And what if the secret was as simple as adding a few beautiful living plants? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of natural aromatherapy right in your own home. We're going to explore 5 incredible houseplants that not only look stunning, but also release amazing scents that can genuinely help reduce your stress and anxiety. Forget artificial air fresheners. This is about harnessing the power of nature to create a calmer, happier you. So, if you're ready to breathe in some peace and tranquility, stick around. Let's get started. Our first plant is a true classic, and for very good reason. It's the elegant and beloved lavender. When you think of relaxing scents, lavender is probably one of the first that comes to mind. Its fragrance is soft, floral, and slightly herbal, instantly evoking a sense of calm. You've likely seen it in everything from essential oils to sleep sprays, and that's because its aromatherapy benefits are scientifically backed. The scent of lavender contains compounds like linalool, which have been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system. It can help lower your heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and ease feelings of anxiety. Imagine having that soothing power growing right on your windowsill. Growing lavender indoors can be a little tricky, but it's totally achievable. It thrives on sunlight. So a south-facing window, where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun, is ideal. The key is to not overwater it. Lavender is native to the Mediterranean and prefers dry, well-draining soil. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. A terracotta pot is a great choice because it allows moisture to evaporate. To enjoy its fragrance, you can gently brush your hands over the foliage, or simply let the natural air circulation in your home carry its scent. Having a pot of lavender in your bedroom is especially wonderful. Its calming aroma can promote deeper, more restful sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's not just a plant, it's a natural sleep aid and a beautiful piece of living decor. Next up, let's talk about a plant that brings a touch of the tropics and a wonderfully intoxicating scent into your home: jasmine. There are many varieties of jasmine, but for indoor growing, varieties like Jasminum polyanthum are fantastic. Its fragrance is rich, sweet, and romantic, especially in the evening when the flowers release their most potent perfume. This isn't a subtle scent. It's a beautiful, room-filling aroma that feels luxurious and deeply comforting. The scent of jasmine has been used for centuries in aromatherapy to uplift the mood and act as a natural antidepressant. Studies have suggested that its aroma can increase feelings of well-being and even have a sedative-like effect, calming the nerves without causing drowsiness. Imagine coming home after a long day, and instead of being greeted by stale air, you walk into the enchanting fragrance of blooming jasmine. It's an instant mood lifter. To care for indoor jasmine, you'll want to give it plenty of bright, indirect light. It's a vine, so providing it with a small trellis or support to climb will make it very happy. It likes its soil to be consistently moist, but not waterlogged, so check it regularly. The reward for your care is a stunning display of delicate white or pinkish flowers that will perfume your entire living space. Placing it in your living room or a reading nook can create a perfect environment for relaxation and mindfulness. The scent of jasmine encourages you to take a deep breath, slow down, and just be present in the moment. Moving on to our third fragrant friend, we have gardenia. If you're looking for a scent that is pure elegance and sophistication, gardenia is your plant. The fragrance of its creamy white blossoms is powerful, sweet, and almost velvety. It's a classic floral scent that many people find incredibly soothing and nostalgic. It's the kind of fragrance that makes you close your eyes and just savor the moment. In the world of aromatherapy, gardenia is known for its ability to promote relaxation and combat anxiety. Some traditional medicine practices have even used it to help with sleep disturbances and reduce inflammation. Its scent can create a peaceful atmosphere, making your home feel like a high-end spa. Now, I will be honest, gardenias have a reputation for being a bit high maintenance, but their stunning beauty and fragrance are worth the effort. They are divas that demand specific conditions. They need bright, indirect light, high humidity, and consistent temperatures. A spot near a kitchen or bathroom where humidity is naturally higher can be a good choice, or you can place it on a pebble tray with water. They are also particular about their soil, preferring acidic soil that's kept evenly moist. Yes, it requires attention, but successfully growing a gardenia and being rewarded with those heavenly-smelling blooms is an incredibly satisfying experience for any plant parent. The challenge itself can be a form of mindful practice, and the fragrant reward is the ultimate stress reliever. Our fourth plant is one you might associate more with cooking, but it's a powerhouse of aromatherapy. I'm talking about rosemary. This hardy herb has a distinct and invigorating fragrance that is woody, pine-like, and wonderfully fresh. Unlike the other floral scents we've discussed, rosemary's aroma is more stimulating and clarifying. It's the perfect scent for when you're feeling mentally foggy or fatigued. If you need to focus on a task or clear your head after a stressful meeting, a whiff of rosemary can work wonders. Scientific research has shown that the aroma of rosemary can improve memory, boost alertness, and enhance concentration. It's like a natural energy drink for your brain. The great thing about rosemary is that it's relatively easy to grow indoors. Like lavender, it loves sunshine, so a bright sunny spot is non-negotiable. It also prefers its soil to dry out a bit between waterings. Overwatering is the most common mistake with rosemary. Keeping a small pot of it in your home office or study is a brilliant idea. Whenever you feel that afternoon slump coming on, you can simply run your fingers through its needle-like leaves to release that amazing, mind-clearing scent. Plus, you'll have fresh herbs on hand for your cooking. Adding a sprig of fresh rosemary to your roasted vegetables or a cup of tea is another way to enjoy its benefits. It's a multi-purpose plant that works hard to keep both your mind and your meals vibrant. Finally, we have our fifth plant, which is perhaps a bit unexpected but utterly delightful. Scented geraniums. Now, these aren't your typical garden geraniums grown for their big, showy flowers. Scented geraniums, or pelargoniums, are grown primarily for the fragrance of their leaves, and the variety of scents is astounding. You can find ones that smell like rose, lemon, mint, apple, chocolate, and even coconut. The fragrance is released when you brush against or touch the leaves, making them a wonderfully interactive plant. Imagine having a plant that smells like chocolate mint sitting on your desk. It's a fun, quirky, and incredibly effective way to introduce aromatherapy into your space. The different scents have different benefits. For example, the lemon-scented varieties have a bright citrusy aroma that is energizing and mood-boosting, great for fighting off feelings of sadness or lethargy. The rose-scented ones have a softer, more calming floral fragrance that can help ease tension. Scented geraniums are generally easy to care for. They enjoy plenty of bright light and prefer to be kept on the drier side. They are quite forgiving plants, making them perfect for beginners. You can place them in areas with high traffic, like a hallway, so you accidentally brush past them and release their scent throughout the day. It's like having little pockets of surprising and delightful fragrance hidden around your home, ready to give you a little lift whenever you need it. So, there you have it. 5 incredible fragrant houseplants to turn your home into a natural aromatherapy spa. We have the calming lavender for sleep, the romantic jasmine for mood lifting, the elegant gardenia for pure relaxation, the clarifying rosemary for focus, and the versatile scented geraniums for a touch of fun. Each of these plants offers a unique sensory experience and a natural way to manage daily stress. Bringing nature indoors does more than just beautify your space. It actively contributes to your mental and emotional well-being. The simple act of caring for a plant, watching it grow and enjoying its fragrance can be a powerful form of mindfulness. It connects us back to the natural world and reminds us to slow down and breathe. I encourage you to pick one that resonates with you and give it a try. Start with one. Learn its needs, and see how it transforms your space and your mood. You might be surprised at what a little bit of green and a whole lot of fragrance can do for your daily life. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has inspired you to create your own fragrant oasis at home. Which of these plants are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on creating a healthier, happier life. Until next time, take care and breathe easy.